What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. Like right now, I don't even supposed to be doing this video right now, but you know what? Things don't always work as planned. And as of right now, like I'm about to go to a drag strip, which is about an hour away from me. It's called Wild Horse Pass. And the reason why I'm going here is because, to be honest, I had some family coming to town, but they so happen to miss their flight. And with them missing their flight, they heading to Phoenix. So as they head into Phoenix, you know, the time change and everything, they're going to get here a little bit later. But they is coming today. But while I'm waiting for them to keep my energy going, because I'm just like tired, I'm going to the drag strip. It's Saturday, and we're about to have some fun. My car's set up, so we about to actually see what my car do, man. Let me just show you guys like my setup. So as of now, y'all see I got the back seat out. I was gonna take my front seat out, but I need that in. And y'all see I got my Apex wheels and my slicks on, so my R compounds. And y'all already know like the engine mods and all that stuff. So we about to head there, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there to the drag strip. We're about 7 miles away from it, man. I must say, like, for it to be almost 8 o'clock, look how hot it is, man. 103 degrees. This is so crazy, man. All right, y'all, so made it here to the Wild Horse Pass. So I'm about to check in. She took me here to go spectate, but I'm not trying to spectate. It's like $45. It's $20 to spectate, $45 to race, but I only got $40 cash, so I'm gonna see can they let me in for $40 and go from there. We'll see. We got ATMs here, but yeah. All right, we in this joint, so we about to go ahead and check in and see how good I can do. Okay, so they getting their runs in down there. So we about to see what they do. It sound like them boys running pretty good. I don't know what my car run again. I'm still learning how to drive the manual on the drag strip, so we're gonna see how this goes and everything. So I may get one run, two runs. It seems pretty packed tonight, so we'll see. Man, so I had to tech in, and they have like so many stops and ring around the rosies here, man. So back there, there's like I don't know, can you see, but back there, there's like a table back there where you have to stop if you don't have a pen. Just fill out all your information on this tech card, and then from there you slide up here, and then they're gonna really check like your car and all that stuff. They like really doing it to check your car and stuff. I'm not used to that back at Michigan, man, but I guess safety first. That truck sounds good right there, though. Sounds real good. Hopefully I have enough time to get some races in. I think so. I mean, I gotta go pick up my family at the airport like around 10 o'clock. So I think I got enough time to get some runs in, maybe 2, hopefully, if 3, but we'll see. So wish me luck out here. All right, y'all, so it looks like I'm not gonna be able to race tonight due to I don't have any long pants. Like, I have shorts. It's like 110 degrees out here. They want you to wear pants, which I am not used to that. Like, usually they give you like a leeway, but yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and get a refund and then just spectate. So we about to just see what type of cars run and what type of runs they do here, since it's like my very first time coming to this track at all. So next time, since it's just an hour away from me, I just make sure I have a set of track pants in the trunk with me and stuff like that. But let's see what type of cars running tonight. Come back and get you. We will definitely come back next time to get our runs in. But We'll see how they track look at Wild Horse. But it's just like so much stuff, man, as I'm learning here at my first time. Like coming in, you gotta go all the way around through here, all the way around and down to get to Tech. And then from Tech, you gotta circle all the way back around to get into the parking lot to then get onto the racetrack. It's so much, so much. And then I gotta have shorts. I mean, I have shorts on, but I have to have pants to run it here. So that's crazy. Never thought that would happen. But yeah, so we about to go ahead and see what my boy Dan is doing. He has a 1SS. He stripped out the rear seats and took out the passenger seat. He full bolt on E85. He had the same setup as what I had, where he had the LT2 intake manifold, but he swapped that out for a MSD and a 103 throttle body and retuned it. So we about to see how his setup stacks up in other cars. So let me try to get on the other side of the gate, try to sit up here in the stands and get some of this action for you guys. Man, I'm so, I can't say this enough, man. I'm so disappointed I wasn't able to get out here and run with you guys. I mean, get out here and just get a good run in so y'all can see how the car stacks up. And it's a Camaro right there pulling in. And it's a Camaro right here too, man. So I'm sick, man. I'm sick. But it is what it is. It's my first time. I'm still learning, man, this whole tracking stuff. And I'm gonna see what I do next time. It's not too far, like I said. So yeah, this is the white Camaro right here, the very first one y'all seen when I tried to test my car out on the street right here. So he ready and set to go. He got the drag pack on. He's nice and ready. Luna's ready. Luna is ready. Yeah, it took me long enough, bro. Ooh, that MSD looks so much better. So much better. Yeah, I like that. About to get some runs in with this Q50. Mods is unknown, but we'll see how it stacks up. This is gonna be pretty interesting here. They got lots of cars here, man. Lots of cars. So we're gonna see GTR. That's GTR. Ooh, that sounds good. In the stands real quick and see Bike versus Mustang. What they run? Ooh, that bike ran a 9.6 and that Charlie ran an 11 at 125. Racing school machine. Mustang versus Charlie.
Goes through at 1267.
Let's see what we look like. We got a old school here. Let's see what he's flying.
And you know what? He was the third
10-5. All right, this is the lineup I was telling y'all about. Let's see how they do. Woo. 11.5, 11.4, that was close. So this the Q50 that was just running my boy's Camaro right behind him. And this is full bolt on turbo. I don't know if it's a single turbo or twin turbo, but this Q50 is nice. It ran 11.4. but it's all-wheel drive, and I believe, and he was on E. I don't know if this on E85 or not, but I gotta ask the dude, but it ran good, really good. No front seat, so gutted. And his Camaro was gutted too. That's like a 13. All right, I'm about to follow you guys. All right, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man, and I hope you guys enjoyed this run like I did, man, because I really enjoy these cars that's coming out here. And yeah, I'm very disappointed that still, man, I couldn't be able to run due to my lack of judgment, not having pants on, but it is what it is. I know what to do next time when I come out here, just to have fun. So if y'all like this video, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.